Here is a complete guide on how to get from Thunder Bluff to Undercity in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, also known as WOTLK. Well, to travel from Mulgore to Tirisfal Glades is a long way, but this is not impossible. Although if you want to travel fast, you'll have to find the mage, because he can spell you a portal if you ask him nicely. He can spell you a portal to Undercity. Although if you still want to get to Undercity from Thunder Bluff, then you found the perfect tutorial for this. So you'll have to get right here in Thunder Bluff in the north, in the Spirit Rise, because here will arrive the Zeppelin from Thunder Bluff to Orgrimmar, and from Orgrimmar we'll have to switch Zeppelins, but that's another story. Once you'll get here, you'll have to wait. I mean, you will really have to wait, because this Zeppelin will take a while to get here, and also this Zeppelin will take a while to arrive in Orgrimmar, because there are no loading screens. You are literally flying to Orgrimmar. So once you'll get to Orgrimmar, now you'll have to get in the right side of Orgrimmar, because there you'll find the tower, climb the tower, here will arrive the Zeppelin to Tirisfal Glades. Just be careful, because here will arrive two Zeppelins. Don't take the one who's facing the Orgrimmar, the city, take the one who's facing the opposite direction, okay? So get here, wait for this Zeppelin, and this is the last Zeppelin which you'll have to take, and this one will get us straight to Tirisfal Glades. Now, once you'll arrive in Tirisfal Glades, if you descend in the south, you will enter Undercity. So that's how to travel, that's how to get from Thunder Bluff to Undercity in WOTLK Classic. I hope this helps, a comment will be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.